Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all my friends are doing great and enjoying their lives. My dear friends, I'm here with a new video and I hope this video would be loved by all my viewers because it is about happiness, it is about excitement, it is about something we all love because it is about just the most beautiful thing, and that is beautiful springtime wreaths. And everyone loves these wreaths because they are a symbol of love, they are a symbol of beauty and everything. And when we talk about wreaths as a symbol of Christmas wreaths, then we may say that they have been used as a decorative sign of Christmas for hundreds and hundreds of years. And Christmas wreaths can adorn any part of your home, inside or out. In many homes, this symbol of growth and everlasting life can be found both inside and out, and it is common to find a number of wreaths on doors, over the mantel, or hung in windows like. And wreaths made of evergreens, most often pine branches or holly. They can be real or artificial. It's up to you that what do you want to go for. The real ones are beautiful in smell, fragrance, you can say, but the artificials don't smell like original. But one thing is that the artificial ones, if you make them of crochet or kind of wildflowers type of fabric that can be used to make flowers, or any kind of using the materials that we can use in DIY things and all these ideas, or you can also use the yarn to make these things, and fabric and so many types of things you can use to make these, and it will actually last long, it will stay there for longer periods of time, and it is washable. You can even reuse it, you can wash it, it would be there for a long time and you would be loving to see it around. You can even hang them on your doors and inside and out, anywhere where you want. So it is decorated with a variety of items, including pine cones, holly berries, fruits, and just about anything you can imagine. It's up to you. And there are so many kinds, like the pom wreaths and the wildflower wreaths, and so many other kinds of with leaves and with flowers and with so many things, whatever you want, because it is about beauty and so many things. And a wreath has significant meaning for the season. Its circular shape represents eternity, for it has no beginning and no end, and it is just love when we know about its actually significance, its meanings. And from a Christian religious perspective, it represents an unending circle of life. The evergreen and most frequently used in making wreaths symbolizes growth and everlasting life, and holy branches have thorns. When used in wreath, it represents the thorn on Jesus' crown when he was crucified, and bright red holly berries symbolize Jesus' blood and that was shed for us. So it is about all those things that are here according to the Christian significance. So today it is sometimes hard to remember that the real meaning of Christmas. We get all caught up in the hype of Santa and his arrival, and the wreath over the earth brings a warmth to our hearts as we step to reflect upon true meaning of this very special day. And one thing that when we talk about the history of wreath, then we come to so many other points that are significant to be known. And these are that there are two different schools of thought when it comes to the history of wreath. And the first notes that the wreath dates back to ancient Greece and Rome, where members of Greco-Roman society would hand make ring-shaped wreaths, actually using fresh tree leaves, twigs, small fruits and flowers worn as headdresses. And these wreaths represented one's occupation, rank, achievements and status. Although and there were like the laurel wreath was most commonly used, and laurel wreaths were used to clone victors of the ancient Greco-Roman Olympic Games. And wreaths translated literally means a thing bound around, from the Greek word diadema. And the second theory on the history of wreath is common Christian lore and explores that the honored art of wreath making began 1000 years before the birth of Christ. Christians assembled Advent wreaths to symbolize the strength of life they showed by preserving through the harsh forces of winter. And today, still, the Christmas wreath is symbolic of Christian immortality, as the circle and sphere both represent immortality. And no matter which school of thought you subscribe to, live and die, wreaths have come a long way. So these are so beautiful, and these having a very beautiful and symbolic meanings, and everyone is so excited about them, and they add to beauty, pleasure, strength, eternity, immortality, and so many other positive and beautiful things that are around our life. So here are ideas for you. If you want to make wreaths, springtime wreaths by your own hands, you can make them by crochet, as there are so many pictures giving you ideas of the colors of so many patterns ideas. For example, first you have to make a circle, then you have to make flowers and leaves of different colors. Now it's up to you that which color you are wishing to go for, or you are going to go for one or two colors, or you are just loving to make some multicolored leaves and flowers, or you are going with the light or dark combinations, or all the colors would be dark or all the colors would be light. It's up to you, but most of the time it happens that because it is about the springtime wreaths, then they are always in bright colors, because spring is always about bright and prominent colors, because it is the blooming and the blossom season, and it is sometimes showing birds also. As you can see in this wreath, there is also a bird signifying the beauty and all the things that are related to the spring. And this one is showing wildflowers and as well as leaves and so many other beautiful things that are here. A ribbon added, multicolored flowers. You can go for this one is a pom-pom kind made of crochet. This is so beautiful, having a bunny in it. It's up to you that which idea is actually appealing you the most and you are attracted by something the most. This is made by butterflies. As you know, butterflies are also a symbol that here is spring. Butterflies come where there are flowers and beauty and orchard or gardens or other things. Like you can say in short, butterflies always are moving around the flowers and beauty. So spring is all about beauty and flowers and the blossom season. So wherever there are butterflies, there are flowers. So they are both actually closely related to each other. And here are crochet flowers as well as leaves. This one is also very beautiful, although it is not fully circle shaped. Most of the time these are circular shapes that are showing immortality, because they are not having any ending, they are going around in a circle, so it is having a significance. This one is also circular, having a beautiful flowers, yellow tie and a kind of eggs in it, and these are decorated very beautifully. It's up to you what you are going to go for, and it is a beautiful one with multicolored flowers. And also around the bees in it, and these bees are like they are around the flowers and they are moving here and there. This purple colored having a light yellow colored and beautiful other combinations is also very cute, and you can see it is looking so gorgeous, and it is actually signifying the beauty and that all the message that actually carried by it. And actually this pom pom one is also very beautiful. These look so beautiful and so comfy type, and one thing is that you can wash them easily, you can make them easily. This is nothing that you have to use some over extra money for these can be arranged in a low budgeted way. For example, if there is some leftover yarn at your home, you can simply use that yarn for these purposes. This one is also so cute, having birds in it, and you know, the little birds, either they are artificial but they are adding to the beauty. They are looking so innocent, so cute, and these chirping birds, or these actually the artificial made crochet birds, are actually adding to the beauty, because wherever we see birds, it means that there is life. Birds are there where is life, where are flowers, and everything that is about living beings, living things, and all the things that are actually telling that life is here, everything is here, the world is alive, the world is active. And this one, bunny, butterfly, flowers, all the things are actually telling in the true sense about the spirit of spring. And because all these things are closely associated with spring, this one is also showing the colors of spring. For example, it has been hung by a chair, and the chair is white, and these colors are actually showing that spring season has set in, because spring is all about colors. It spreads colors around the people, around the world, and people feel at once so joyous, so peaceful, so wonderfully, pleasantly, so happy. Because spring, when we talk about spring, I have seen, I think I have never seen such people who say that they are not excited about spring, or they say that they don't like spring. Because when it comes to spring, everyone is excited. I have seen around me actually so many flowers of red, yellow, and of many colors that are actually adding to the beauty of the world. And spring is a season that actually makes the heart feel pleasure, makes the heart feel joy. So my heart jumps in pleasure whenever I see that the spring season is going to set in. Everything feels so colorful, everything feels so fresh. And we see in the fall season that the leaves of the trees fall, and the trees look so alone, and like having no leaves and without any leaves, and the things change, and the appearance of the atmosphere totally changes. And after a few months we see that spring comes, and the flowers, the tiny flowers bloom, and all the things like trees are we see trees with new little leaves, and everything actually grows up again, everything blooms again. So these kind of things are a sign of spring, and spring is the sign of life. I hope you all are agreeing with this. And let me request all of you that if you are liking these ideas, for example, this one is so cute, having a basket full of flowers, although it is artificial, but still it is not looking less than the original one. So if you are liking these ideas, and if these ideas are going to help you in making your spring wreaths, then please like this video. And if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest updates, because I will be bringing more beautiful collections in the future too. And I'll be working on the patterns too in future. As soon as the lockdown period gets over, I would be able to buy some material to do some tutorials for all the friends who are asking for. So we would be doing a very beautiful thing. Look at this one, it is having a note on it with the typing that happy spring, and it is adding to the happiness. Actually, everyone loves these kind of things. So you can see this one having little flowers and leaves, and showing that twigs is also very beautiful. This one is not fully crochet made, a fabric of a kind, or you can say the forming sheet type flowers has been used, but the pom-poms are of crochet, and these are actually adding to the beauty. These things are so beautiful, and these things actually make the surroundings also beautiful, and they make the people feel beautiful. So for me, it is about love. It is about all the things that are I have told you earlier about significant meanings. So wreaths are so much important, especially to the Christians, because they are having some religious significance. And when the things are having some religious significance, they become too much important, because they are actually related to our inner devotion and so many other things. So, my dear friends, one thing more, that you must take care of yourselves and your families, because